Hello, and welcome to this video on how to read and analyze financial statements. In this video, we will cover the basics of reading and analyzing financial statements, including what they are and why they are important. Financial statements are documents that provide information about a company's financial performance and position. The three most common financial statements are the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement. Financial statements are important because they provide a snapshot of the company's financial performance and position. By analysing financial statements, investors can assess the health of a company and make informed decisions about whether to invest in it. To read and analyse financial statements, it's important to start by understanding the purpose and contents of each statement. The balance sheet provides information about a company's assets, liabilities, and equity. Assets are items or goods owned by the business. Liabilities are anything owed of the company in the present or future, and their equity is the difference of their assets and liabilities. The income statement shows its revenue and expenses, while the cash flow statement shows the inflows and outflows of cash. When analysing financial statements, look for trends over time and compare the numbers to industry standards and benchmarks. It's also important to pay attention to key metrics, such as revenue growth, profit margin, and debt levels, to get a comprehensive picture of a company's financial performance and position. In conclusion, understanding how to read and analyse financial statements is an essential skill for investors and finance professionals. By taking the time to familiarise yourself with the contents and purpose of financial statements and using the right tools and techniques to analyse them, you can make informed decisions about investments and assess the health of companies. Thank you for watching this video on how to read and analyse financial statements. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and strategies.